Good morning everybody and welcome back to the Sullivan family. So it's Sunday and the fun continues, the Christmas fun continues. So as you can see, Zoe thought it was high time that I got a new Griswold style Santa hat, because the other Santa hats we've got are looking very tired and they're quite old. So she thought, part of the B&M haul, she got us some Santa hats. Look at that! That's a proper Santa hat, isn't it? I really like it. Hi darling, do you want to stand up too? Come on in.
Daddy.
Oh no, they've also got, look at this, look. Oh, they're great, aren't they? I love the elf legs.
Yeah,
they're so funny.
He got it.
As you can tell, we are properly making the most of Christmas this year. Oh, the cat's joined us now. Where's the cat? There he is. Say hi, Eva.
Hi.
Have you got a sore throat?
Oh, yeah.
Have you got a bit of a sore throat, have you? Oh no. The cat's joining as well in the Christmas fun. But we haven't got a Christmas hat for the cat, and I don't think he'd wear it anyway. Anyway, I digress. So what's happening today, you ask?
I want to show them my Christmas jumper.
Go on then. They're nice Christmas jumpers, aren't they? They're really nice.
That's what they were smell.
Yeah. So what's happening today? The Christmas lights are going up today because it's Sunday. So we've had quite a busy time of it so far, but it's been really fun. Obviously, we put the Christmas tree up yesterday. Then Zoe built her Christmas village. And then she also did the B&M haul for the extra bits that we wanted for Christmas this year. And we're finishing off this weekend of vlogs by putting the Christmas lights up outside. And then we're going to put the boxes away, aren't we? And then we're going to... I'm just trying to think in my brain what we're going to do today. And then we're going to do the official Christmas light switch on tonight, later on, after tea time when it's dark, yeah? We're going to do the official Christmas light switch on. Yeah, so it's loads of fun.
Daddy.
What?
The Christmas.
Okay then, so everybody's snacked up. It's about 10:10 in the morning and we are about to go and get the lights out of the box that we need. I'm going to get some help from Olivia and Isabel, and then we're going to go outside, aren't we? Outside the front garden, put our wellies on, and we're just going to crack on. No, we're not going to the back garden, we're going to the front garden, so that's where we're putting the lights up. So yeah, we're going to crack on. Right then, let's have a look. So boxes. Belle, we need to get the lights out, Belle. Get the lights out. God, that was an extreme close up. Right, have we got the lights out? So what lights have we got then? Let's have a look.
We got.
Where are they going? Around the windows? Yeah.
That one. Pampas tree.
Pampas grass.
I mean, the only problem is the last time we had it all fell down in the wind. But
I mean, we don't have to. Well, I tell you what, we'll keep those on standby just in case. And if we think that we don't need them, then we won't. What else have we got? The red ones. Where do the red ones go?
the bush.
On the bush. And the white ones go on the bush.
As well.
And we need the new ones as well, don't we? We need the new projector lights as well.
I'll get them.
Yeah. So the new projector lights.
Daddy, this is
Have you got your wellies on? On our table, you little monkey. Have you got your wellies on?
Yeah.
Don't forget, you need to have your coats on as well, so we'll do that in a sec.
We got over there. We
What's
tested
that?
these out
What's
this morning.
What have we got?
I'm not surprised they're rotten.
What?
Daddy.
Oh, we still got... Oh, I forgot about the pumpkins. Right, they're going in the bin today.
They're making the room smell.
Daddy.
Projector lights, good. Right.
We should put it at the top of the house more. No, there's one in front of us.
Yeah, we're going to do one at the front and one on the side. Yeah.
This says 240.
No, I think it's... Oh, it is 240. You're right. I thought it was the 400s. Yeah, you're right.
Do one there and like one
240.
No, it's one right of like dead centre, one at the side.
Right, are we going to get coats and wellies and all that on the little ones and get outside, yeah?
Wait,
And
we
crack
have
on.
jumpers on those.
No,
Might not
and
have-
coats because it's
I know,
cold.
exactly.
Yeah?
It's Christmas.
He's getting a bigger one. He's plugging as well. You
Right
need
then.
to get, you need to get a bigger set for me to plug in.
Agnes, let's look at yours. So cute.
I have Joseph's.
Okay, let's crack on. Okay.
Don't take
Daddy.
Okay, have we got all the lights?
Yeah.
Have we got everything we need?
Have
we got everything we need?
I need to tell you a question.
What?
Have we got a chimney?
Have we got a chimney? No, we don't need a chimney anymore.
Why?
Because we don't. Because of the central heating.
Have you seen his Santa hat?
Who?
Yours.
My Santa hat? My Santa hat's ace. There's nothing wrong with my Santa hat.
I want it.
No, get down please. I don't want any accidents. Right, have you put the Santa sign down already?
Yes, I want gloves on. No, I'm not.
Okay, the first set of lights to go up are going to be around the windows. And they're the same ones that we do every year.
It looks like a curly.
It looks like a what?
Curly. Touching a hat.
Yes, so the ones that we put around the window every year, the colour ones, they're going up first. So obviously I can't film like an hour's worth of video, so we're going to time lapse these bits. The bits where we're putting the lights on will time lapse. But aside from that, we're just going to get on with it. Okay, so we're doing really well. How much have we got left to do, Eva? About to you there?
Yeah.
So we haven't got much to do on the very big 1,000 light set, which goes around the house and the windows and stuff. And then Isabel and Olivia are putting a white set around the pampas grass. And Isabel and Olivia have also done the traditional, the bush outside our house, which we've got red and white on, which ends up looking like a Christmas tree. So we love this one because it's really kind of bright and cheerful, like when you drive up towards the house and that. So we're really pleased. We always have that one. But we've also got the new lights, which we haven't put out yet. But we're going to finish off doing the bulk of the lights, which we haven't got many to do left now, have we, Eva?
Nope.
Nope.
I have untangled.
Eva's been my very good helper today. You've untangled them all now, haven't you?
Yeah.
Because you know what it's like with 1,000 lights, you just go,
It's very easy to untangle.
Yeah, so we're nearly done. We're nearly done. The kids are playing in the park. They're happy enough. Yeah, we're going to finish off now, the last few bits, and then I'll catch up with you again after. Oh dear, we got rained off. We got totally rained off. So we're going to stop now for lunch. And we haven't got much left to do, so we're going to pop back out after lunch. Hopefully the weather would have sorted itself out. Are you right, darling? Yeah, hopefully the weather will have stopped. It would have stopped raining. So we're going to call it quits there for a minute, and then we're going to crack on, shall we?
Yes.
Good stuff. High five. High five.
Right, so we've got our tree, and even Toby will be doing their trees in a minute, like Noah and all that. But me and Agnes are going to put this one up. So we've got it in a bag. The other trees are in bags over there. We're going to get those out later in a minute. So Agnes, do you want to help me open this bag? Because we're just going to open this up and then get the others.
Why?
These bags can just go in the bin because we're getting new ones for them in like the next few months. That happens.
Oh my god. Whoa, that.
I can't open this.
Oh.
Is it stuck? It's stuck.
Can I help
Let me
with
just fix
the
this.
bubbles?
And then I'm just going to tap by tree as well. Okay. We got there in the end. It's fine. So we got to put these 4 things. Oh, there's only 3. 3 things to go on the bottoms. To the sides of these.
And that's a baby.
And once these are up, we'll put it in. Okay, so we've got the tree that we've just put these on because, yeah, we just skipped that because it's a bit boring. And we just got to separate these parts up, which you can just do quickly. Agnes, do you want to help?
Yeah.
Just split these up into bits to make it really puffy. What are you getting in a chair? You just need to separate them. If you get some, it's a bit flat at the top because it's been kept in the loft for ages, like a whole year. You know, helping.
Where's the star?
Where's the star? Don't have a star.
Okay.
Not for this one.
I think you can.
The top is a bit flat, like squished all together.
It looks like a baby hair.
How does this look like a baby hair?
Look at the memory box.
You've got these like lights that come with the tree, and then
Some of them are coming off.
whoa, why are you twisting it in about 4 directions? You're making it like I'm twisted. It's fine. You're doing a good job. So we've got the tree. This tree comes with lights. We got it like don't know how many years ago, probably last year, maybe the year before. It's got like built-in lights with it, which we've just put batteries in about like right now, and they're cute.
Whoa.
But we've got 50 more lights to make it brighter because who doesn't love a bright tree? It's quite a lot, but it's fine because we can deal with it. Just get the top of the tree. And then I'll fill it in quickly. Okay, so we've got, now that we've just took these out and put the lights on, we're going to put these ones on. We've got them here. They went down on the stairs, these ones did. I like these ones, which will look so cute with it. But you're not doing it yet. Just turn this off. Don't actually know where to start. I'll start at the top. Actually, I don't know.
I would help.
I just start at the top and then go around. Sorry, for a minute. I don't need any help for a minute. We just go around.
You can't.
Or would it be better starting at the
You
bottom?
can't call baubles bobbins. They're not bobbins.
No, they're not bobbins. Bobbins are
They're like
biscuits.
barbins, but they're baubles.
Actually, be better off doing this. Just going round and around. I mean, you use these for the stairs and it lasted quite long. Oh, it's stuck. I thought knotted, that's why. I have to unknot it. Untangle it. Was it stuck? Oh, it's stuck. Let me fix that. There. That's unstuck. It's like wrapped around. And then these lights aren't on. I thought they were broken for a minute. Get these, just chuck them through like that.
When year.
And carry on filling them in to make it nice and bright. We've got to, I think we might be able to go up again, but we've got to try and get it so that it goes down to the bottom. So we're about halfway down the tree. We've got to go up and down. It's going to go on for ages.
Yeah.
So we'll probably be better off just like stopping, and then I'll show you how it looks with the lights on after we've finished it. Okay, so we've decided to bin off the pencil. We might come back to it, we might not. It just doesn't look that good. But we've got all of these bowls that we're going to use.
Yeah.
So we've got these gold and pink ones. They're basically just different colours, and I'll show you them in a second.
Come on here.
These are the type of bowls that we've got. So you've
I
got
want to help with them.
these types of colours, like these ones, and you've got another pink ones, but I don't know where they are. Those ones, I know these ones are from B&M because we bought them. So they're from B&M. If anybody likes them, You can get the rest anyway. And we're just going to put these on the tree because we're going for a gold and pink theme. And white. And it'd be good if we had some gold tinsel to go on it. Like a
That's
small
silver.
piece. We don't have
That's
any more.
silver.
It's more like, no, it's not silver. It's like a light gold. A cream type of colour. So we put these all together. I'll show you where to put them on the tree. Yeah. Oh, we've also got these pink ones. They're like shiny pinks. They're cute. Do you want to put this one on? Just put it on this one. So I'm not going to film the whole entire thing of us putting these on because it's going to be a bit pretty boring. For like 10 minutes of us just going. So I'll end up, I'll do a couple. But yeah. So put some more on. Just around the tree. Put some at the front because we need to fill it in.
I've got gold again. You know, I know what the boss colour is, gold.
Yeah,
It's
that's the
gold.
base colour. Put some at the front.
Boss.
And they're quite pretty, they match quite well with the tree, they make it quite nice. We've got quite a lot to go around, so it'll be quite more full. But if it's not full enough, then we can add like tinsel or something.
Well,
But-
there's a sparkly. That's not sparkly.
So we'll just skip to the part. I'll just skip over. So if we just, me and Agnes are just going to carry on doing this, and we'll tell you when we finish. We'll carry on filming the finished look. Okay, so we finished our tree, and this is what it looks like. So you got gold, and we got pink, and it looks gorgeous. I think it looks so good. And so yeah, this is just like a 360 twirl. It's so pretty, and we'll go up there. But we've got to move Lizzie's stuff to get out there. She's not moving right now, but it's fine because we've got this, and then Agnes and Joseph. No, not Agnes and Joseph. Agnes and Noah are going to be doing their trees, but Noah and Toby are doing their tree. And Agnes is going to be doing her tree with Eva, maybe, I don't know. Because they're doing the lights outside, so that might not be. But we've got, the lights are on. We're not doing the tinsel, we decided it does not look nice. We've got all of these bubbles, and it just looks so pretty. So we're going to be doing Noah's next, probably.
That's all of the lights up. The lights are up, they're on the wall, they're on the bushes, they're on everything on the Eva.
Yes.
We've got the projector lights are up. Everything is now done and ready to wait for tonight, because we're going to have the big reveal tonight. The big light switch on, like we do every year, aren't we? Yeah. So we're looking forward to that. So it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. We're going to go in and finish off, put everything away. I know that the girls they've put their Christmas tree up, so I think they've vlogged about it. So this should be after this bit here. We'll talk about the girls after. But for now, we're done, and we're just looking forward to the light switch on now, aren't we?
Yeah, and we're riding our scooters.
Yep. So we'll go over to the girls, and then we'll see you later on for the light switch on.
Bye.
Okay, so we've got Toby doing this tree, and well, Noah was doing it, but he's decided he's not doing it anymore. I'm not even getting. But so, anyways, we're going to get so we're going to open this one up, put these things on to get it to stand up, and then we got these lights. See, theirs has fallen off. It's not actually meant to be off. They're like glued to the tree, but they've managed to come up anyway. So we're just going to put these on, flip it upside down, open up the tree, and then put these lights on. So if we put these on, Toby, you can put this one as well. Oh, it's the wrong way around. Just around, this one. There. And throw that on like that.
That's it. You did it.
Push in. And then if you flip it upside down, that's the right way up. Okay, so we just got to open it up
Yeah.
into its bits.
With their tree, I did it wrong. I was twisting it.
Yeah, you are. Yours is on the same thing. It's gone really flat at the top if you can't see it. But I don't know if you will be able to. Just move it back a little bit.
It's got a Christmas tree on it. Christmas tree.
Move it back a little bit.
Oh, you're helping me.
No, they're not. You can't open them. They're not real crackers. So we just skip to the part when we've finished opening it all up and everything. We'll just show you afterwards and put the lights on because yeah, we're gonna be here for quite a while. So we have finished this tree and we're just going to do a little light test just to make sure it looks good. Ready, go. So it actually looks so cute. This one's actually pretty. I want to see, they've gone for just like watercolours, any colours they want. They've got little handmade decorations. They made these last year, not this year. They've got gold candy canes and little things made out of paper. They got like a paper mache balls. They got like crackers.
Yeah, they're not real.
Like
There's a candy cane cracker.
Oh, and they've got some of the leftover balls that we had on ours, but we didn't want them because they're blue. And we've got a gold, pink theme. You can't see it in the background, I don't think you can.
Oh, right.
So this is their finish, it's going to go in their room. And then all that we have left is Agnes's tree, well, the girls. And bring it over here. There's a bright pink. This is so pretty. They've got a nice hot pink one. And we're going to start that in just a second. Okay, so we've got their tree, which we're doing, and we're going to put these in. We've also got Florence here to help us. So we're just putting these batteries in right now for this, and then yeah. So we're just gonna. I'll put the skew in a minute. You can just.
Is it this way?
You can just try and get this on.
There.
So you can stand up. I'll put the skew in.
Yeah.
Stand up. Put the bases in. Actually, no, go flip upside down to put the bases in. Eva can put one in. Florence can put one in. You can put one in? Okay.
You can't put one in. No, don't eat it.
How do you put them in? Do you
And then just slide them in like this.
Is it this way? This way.
Wait.
I know.
Oh wait, they're this way.
Wait. Mine is the right way. I know it's right. Wait a minute.
Hold on, how do you do this? Agnes did it. Oh, you do it like this.
There.
It's
Oh my god. Let me do it.
pink.
No, I want it.
Like that.
Oh.
So we got the bases in. And we're just going to do the same that we've done for Toby's tree. We're just going to time lapse everything just to get it over done with. But first we're just going to do like all these things before we start time lapsing. So can you have to open that out, Florence? Florence is really good at doing this.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to try? She likes
Try.
trees.
Want me to do this?
We're putting tinsel on in a minute. You can help open up. So we just open this up. Florence is really liking this. She can't actually do it, but she's liking this stuff. And once we've opened this up, we're just gonna put the lights. Well, the lights are already on. See, like that. They're really pretty lights.
Wow,
They're
I
nice and
like it.
yellow.
They're cozy.
Yeah. And we're gonna put we got some baubles for them, silver baubles.
Let's turn it around. We need to do the other side.
Some silver baubles. I don't know if you can see them. They're quite shiny. Florence likes them, but she can actually have them because they've got glitter on them. And then they've got some that they made by themselves, like some crackers and everything. And then Agnes, what they? And then we've got some tinsel as well, because they're having tinsel that we were not having. Well, we were having this on our tree, but it didn't look good on our tree. So they're having this one for theirs to go around. So yeah, we're just gonna. I'll show you the finished look in a minute.
That looks alright.
We have finished this tree. So pretty.
Yes.
It is. Flo likes it as well. Don't you, Flo? She might not be showing it, but she does. So we've got. I'll show you what we've got. Let me just turn the camera on. So we've got some silver bubbles. We've got some glittery bubbles. These are from our tree as well, because we split Noah's and Eva's in half, basically, because we had 10 left over, so we just gave them to them. And then over here, if I just pick up the tree and twist it around, we've got some more of those like homemade ones, which are nice. Especially this one is pretty. I'm pretty sure I made that one. I'm not sure. And then, yeah, we got one of these crackers over here.
Yeah.
As well, which are nice and pretty. So, yeah.
Do
Do you like your tree, Agnes?
Look at Flo.
Do you like your tree?
Yeah.
Do you guys like your tree?
Yeah.
Flo likes it.
Am I helping with?
So, we finished Abby's trees now. We've got Toby's is done, Eva's and Agnes's is done, and the twins, whatever. We've got ours back there. Ooh, right there. And yeah, that's everybody's, and we'll just see what's going on. We've got like light switch on and everything going on tonight. So we'll just skip to that bit, yeah.
Yes,
Say bye.
Bye.
Right, so we've had tea. It's dark outside. We're all ready to go and see the light switch on, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Sound excited then?
Yeah. I can't sound excited because my voice.
They've been waiting for the light switch on all day. Right, we're going to go outside and do it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we... 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that looks cool, doesn't it? And we've got the projectors. Can you see the projectors? Do little snowflakes. Can you see them? What do we think?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah. It was for ages, but good.
We'll stay back to the middle.
Well.
I think the cat likes it as well.
Yeah. Now you can see it. Ew, got a wet
That's good, that's good. Wait it.
Oh, are we adjusting? Are we adjusting? Oh, has it got rain on it? Oh, that's better. Now we can see it.
Why are you moving it? It's fine.
Guys, awesome! These people awesome! Crazy. They put lights up in there.
It wouldn't look the best without the snowflakes. Oh, it's actually really good. To the top of the house.
Right, how happy are you with those lights?
Yes.
Aren't they cool?
Daddy.
They look really good. I'm really pleased.
Daddy. And it's Deck the Whole House.
It is like Deck the Hall's house. I actually like the projectors that project onto the wall. They look really cool, don't they?
You can actually reach the top with lights.
No, I mean, I've never had a ladder big enough, have I? So,
it's so cool,
it looks
actually.
really good. Yeah, I know, we're going to go in now. Right,
Shorts.
that's it, guys. Really hope you've enjoyed these past 4 vlogs. This is our kind of lead up to Christmas, or getting ready for Christmas. Between now and Christmas, we're going to do loads of Christmas things. We're going to be going out.
Daddy.
Yes, darling?
How's the snowflakes from there?
They look really good, don't they? They look really good. Anyway, really hope you enjoyed these videos, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Please hit the bell for notifications. Drop us a like. Don't forget our link tree in the video description.
Daddy. Are these going to stay on all night?
Yeah, no, not all night. No, turn them off later. Yeah, so don't forget our link tree in the video description below and on our channel homepage for our TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. There we go. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.